Good day everyone, this is your teacher Ma'am Adoko, and for our lesson video today, I will be discussing factoring polynomial. Factoring polynomials. In factoring polynomials is to rewrite a polynomial as a product of polynomials of smaller degree. Let me give you an example. Factor 8x squared plus 12x. So before we can factor this expression, let me give you steps. Step 1. Find the GCF through prime factorization. So in this expression, we have two terms, 8x squared and 12x. So we will find the greatest common factors of these two terms through prime factorization. So for our 8x squared, okay, so the prime factors is 2 times 2, which is equals to 4, times 2, which is equals to 8, and then we have the variable x squared times x squared. And then for the second term, 12x, so the prime factors, 2 times 2, which is equals to 4, times 3, which is equals to 12, and then times x. So the common factors is, in these two terms, is 2, and then we have another 2. 2 and 3 is not a common factors, and then we have the variable x. So our greatest common factor in this expression is 2 times 2 times x. So remember students, we will choose the variable that has the smallest degree. So our GCF is equals to 4x. Then let's proceed to step 2. Step 2, write each term as the product of the GCF and its other factor. Okay, so we will think of a number or a factor that when we multiply to our GCF, which is the 4x, it will equal to the first term and to the second term. Okay, so 4x times 2x. So 4x times 2x is equals to 8x squared plus 4x times 3. So 4x times 3 is 12x. Then let's proceed to step 3. Apply the distributive property. Okay, to apply the distributive property is to separate the common factors from the terms in the expression. So since the common factors in our expression is 4x, so we will separate 4x from the terms. Okay, so we will put 4x outside the parentheses. Okay, so 4x times 2x plus 3. So this is our complete factored form. And then if you are going to observe their students, when we expand the expression 4x times 2x, it equals to 8x squared. And then 4x times positive 3 is equals to positive 12x. Let me give you another example. Write 12x cubed minus 18xy plus 24x in complete factored form. So let's proceed to step 1. find the GCF through prime factorization. So in our expression, we have three terms: 12x cubed and 18xy and 24x. So we will find the greatest common factors in these terms using prime factorization. So we start with 12x cubed. So the prime factors of 12x cubed is 2 times 2, which is equals to 4, times 3, which is equals to 12, and then times x cubed. Then for 18xy, the prime factor is 2 times 3, which is equals to 6, times 3, which is equals to 18, times x, and then times y. Then for the last term, 24x, the prime factors, 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. And then times 3. 8 times 3 is equals to 24 times x. So the common factors in these terms, we have 2. Then the 2, 3, 2 is not common factors. Then we have the number 3. And then for our variables, we have the variable x. Y is not a common factor. So our GCF is 2 times 3 times x. Okay, so 2 times 3 times x is equals to 6x. So our GCF is 6x. So let's proceed to step 2. Write each term as the product of the GCF and its other factor. Okay, so we will think of a number or a factor that when we multiplied with our GCF, which is 6x, it will be equal to each term. Okay, so 6x times 2x squared. So 6x times 2x squared is equals to 12x cubed minus 6x times 3y. Okay, so 6x times 3y is equals to 18xy. And then for our last term, plus 6x times 4. So 6x times 4 is equals to 24x. Then for our last step, step 3, apply the distributive property. Okay, so we will separate the common factor. Okay, so our GCF or our common factor is 6x. And then we will enclose the terms inside a parenthesis. Okay, so 2x squared minus 3y plus 4 inside the parentheses multiplied by 6x. So this is our complete factored form. And then if we are going to expand the expression, 6x times 2x squared is equal to 12x cubed. 6x times negative 3y, it is negative 18xy. And then 6x times positive 4 is positive 24x. Thank you for watching our tutorial video, and you can check our other videos on factors and primes and how to find the greatest common factor for your reference. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.